merong medyo isang loko-loko na press na nag-interview, asked him, do you remember a certain name? I think gumiti lang ata si Roger kasi that was the first person na he had a match with when he became a professional. Talo siya. Natalo si Roger. So, umpisa siya sa at the start, ikaw yung kulelat.
Tama.
And then, you learn. You keep moving up. That's in sports. So, at least in sports, there's a lot of failure.
Yeah.
But in work or in school, it's a different matter altogether, no? Now, I don't have a specific example of talking to somebody who failed in school.
Ako yun.
Hindi pa tayo nagkita noon.
Alam mo bakit?
Bakit?
Number 1, I never finished college. I failed. Number 2, I failed grade 6 4 times.
Because you were active doing other things.
Yeah, aside from that, probably,
You were getting an education. You were getting an education outside school.
Yeah, oo. Pero syempre, ang label nga sa akin during that time, honestly, ang label sa akin ganito, loser. Loser ka, bobo ka eh. Di ba? You will not amount to anything. Kaya yun yung stigma, ang sinasabi ko, Boss Yuji, na kaya yung mga tao ayaw mag-fail kasi nga loser ka. But in reality, in the real world, alam mo na-realize ko? When you spell the word called fail, F-A-I-L, it stands for first attempt in learning.
That makes a lot of sense.
You failed because you don't know.
It's I made the first mistake in kinder.
Ano?
That the teacher said, put your bag next to your table. Since I did not speak a word of English.
Money Masters with Chin Ki Tan.